As a neurosurgeon, I'm constantly reminded of the brain's incredible complexity. But there's another organ, equally vital, that often doesn't get the attention it deserves: the human heart. This fist-sized powerhouse beats over 100,000 times a day, tirelessly circulating blood throughout our bodies. Today, we'll embark on a journey to understand this remarkable organ, from its intricate structure to its vital role in keeping us alive. We'll delve into the heart's chambers, unravel the mysteries of its electrical system, and explore the common conditions that can impact its function. Imagine a muscular pump, perfectly nestled in the chest cavity, slightly tilted towards the left. This is your heart, an organ so essential that its rhythm dictates the rhythm of your life. The heart is divided into 4 chambers: 2 smaller chambers at the top called atria, and 2 larger chambers at the bottom called ventricles. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body, while the left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs. The right ventricle pumps this deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation, and the left ventricle, the heart's powerhouse, pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. The heart's walls are composed of a unique type of muscle called cardiac muscle. Unlike skeletal muscles that tire easily, cardiac muscle is designed for endurance, contracting rhythmically and continuously throughout our lifetime. This constant pumping action is vital for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our body. Understanding the heart's structure is key to appreciating its remarkable function. The heart acts as a double pump, orchestrating 2 interconnected circulatory loops. The first loop, pulmonary circulation, begins when deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium. From there, it flows into the right ventricle, which pumps it to the lungs. In the lungs, blood releases carbon dioxide and absorbs fresh oxygen, turning from a deep red to a vibrant scarlet. This oxygen-rich blood then enters the left atrium, marking the start of the second loop, systemic circulation. The left atrium delivers the blood to the left ventricle, the heart's most muscular chamber. With each powerful contraction, the left ventricle propels oxygenated blood into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. The aorta branches out like a network of highways, ensuring every cell receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. This continuous cycle of blood flow is essential for life, delivering not just oxygen but also nutrients and hormones while removing waste products. This intricate dance of circulation highlights the heart's central role in maintaining the body's delicate equilibrium. The heart's rhythmic contractions are orchestrated by a fascinating electrical system. Imagine a tiny cluster of cells located in the right atrium called the sinoatrial node, or SA node, often referred to as the heart's natural pacemaker. The SA node generates electrical impulses that spread through the heart's electrical pathways, much like a ripple in a pond. As these impulses travel through the atria, they stimulate the muscle fibers to contract, pushing blood into the ventricles. The impulses then reach the atrioventricular node, or AV node, located between the atria and ventricles. The AV node acts like a gatekeeper, briefly delaying the electrical signal to allow the ventricles to fill with blood. After this pause, the electrical signal travels down specialized fibers to the ventricles, causing them to contract in unison. This synchronized contraction ejects blood out of the heart and into the circulatory system. The heart's electrical system is a marvel of nature, ensuring a coordinated and rhythmic heartbeat that sustains life. Just like any other organ, the heart itself needs a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to function. This vital supply is delivered through a dedicated network of blood vessels called the coronary arteries. Imagine these arteries as the heart's own personal plumbing system, wrapping around the heart muscle and delivering oxygen-rich blood to its cells. Coronary circulation is essential for the heart to beat effectively and maintain its vital role in the body. However, these crucial arteries can become narrowed or blocked, restricting blood flow to the heart muscle. This can lead to a condition called coronary artery disease, or CAD, one of the most common heart conditions worldwide. CAD can manifest in various ways, from chest pain known as angina to a heart attack, a life-threatening event where blood flow to a part of the heart is completely cut off. Understanding the importance of coronary circulation and the risks associated with its compromise is paramount for maintaining good heart health. While the heart is a resilient organ, it's not immune to disease. Just like any complex machine, it can encounter problems that affect its function. One of the most prevalent heart conditions is coronary artery disease, or CAD, which we've discussed earlier. Another common condition is heart failure, where the heart gradually weakens and struggles to pump blood effectively. This can lead to fatigue, shortness of breath, and fluid buildup in the body. Arrhythmias, or irregular heartbeats, can also disrupt the heart's normal rhythm. These can range from harmless palpitations to more serious conditions like atrial fibrillation, which can increase the risk of stroke. Valvular heart disease affects the heart valves, which act like gates regulating blood flow between chambers. When valves become damaged or diseased, they can impede blood flow and force the heart to work harder. Recognizing the signs and symptoms of these conditions is crucial for seeking timely medical attention and improving outcomes. The good news is that many heart conditions can be prevented or managed with proactive lifestyle choices and regular medical care. One of the most impactful steps you can take is to adopt a heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Regular physical activity is another cornerstone of heart health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Managing stress through relaxation techniques like